Hi there. Today I have a digital pocket page that I'll be decorating in Photoshop. I'm using, I think this is an old blog train that I have. I've been cleaning out my old download folder of different kits and things, and I found this and I thought it looked nice, so I'm using it. I doubt it's available currently. So I'm just going to go ahead first and stick in some pocket cards that I like, and then I will, once I have those spaces filled, I will go on to adding in the papers. So here I've already finished, I think, with the pocket cards, and now I'm resizing that paper to fit how I like back there. And now I will repeat this gray paper and center in my photos so that they look nice. So here with the papers, I'm just trying to spread out my colors as well as have a variety of patterns, so I don't want anything too busy next to each other. And now here with the elements, I'm just looking for empty spaces, and then usually, you know, like this space up here with this word paper on it is a big empty space, so I'll kind of focus there and make a cluster of elements, and then I'll just put a few around on the rest of the page. So I'll usually have one kind of focal point for the elements and then have just a couple elsewhere. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.